This is a review of Android AI Box full Android system. It is working with SIM card 4G and it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Let's see what we have. Here is the user manual. You can put NANO SIM card. We have the SIM card from iAd Club, and you can use TF, that's micro SD card. I think it is already 128GB and it is enough. You don't need to put SD card, but just in case, if you want to use it, you can use it. We have two USB-C cables, and one side is USB-A. This is USB-C to USB-C. Here is the box. This area is for the SIM card. While you're putting it, it is saying that if you're putting it wrong way, it's gonna damage it. Be careful. Here is the detail. And let's go ahead and open it and plug it in for testing purposes. USB-C. Now it's good. And let's test it. I inserted the USB-C input, and let's go ahead and continue. And when you look at it, it says enable. And it's gonna restart it because of screen calibration. And it's restarting right now. If you want to use micro SD card, you can use it. I think that's enough. But if you're thinking it's not enough, basically you can use it. Look at those applications. Right now we have 4G. It's coming, the internet connection. Right, we have Google Chrome. You can see the settings: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, application language, display settings, navigations, and other options. And you can see, and Spotify, Play Store, and Waze, car BitLink. You can share your screen with this, and VLC, video player, Netflix. I don't have an account right now. Let's continue. Hulu. When you open it, it's opening very fast. And Waze. Continue. Okay. Okay, shut down. What else? Phone, music, Bluetooth music, and Google Maps. Skip. And you can see the Google Maps. It's working perfectly. AutoKit. If you want to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can use this application. YouTube Music, Disney Plus. And right now I don't want to update it. YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and update this and then come back. I am updating YouTube. When it is done, I'm gonna go ahead and play it and see the quality. Now it is installing. Let's go ahead and open it. And I'm just let's go back. The flow is very smooth. It is working flawlessly, by the way. What about this? Yeah, I can recommend this product because it has SIM cards and it has 8GB of RAM. That means it is very fast. 128GB of storage, basically. That's enough storage, but if you don't have enough storage, you can use micro SD card right here. And if you have SIM card, you can use the internet connection. Also, you can do a hotspot. Whoever is in your car with you, they can use the internet connection also. That's it.